Have you ever wondered where to find affiliate products? Do you often wonder how to reach the actual sources of affiliate products? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of valuable places of affiliate products? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about the 7 best places to find affiliate products. Now let's get into it. In today's economy, we are facing a crisis. Livestock, grocery items, gasoline, and other commodities necessary for the existence of mankind are becoming more and more expensive while wages remain the same and work benefits are becoming low. With that in mind, it's unquestionable why many people are looking for other ways to gain income aside from the income they gain from their day job. One easy way to gain income is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money online, especially if you have a computer and an internet connection. There are 3 ways to earn money through affiliate marketing. These are pay-per-sale, pay-per-lead, and pay-per-click. In affiliate marketing, you place an advertisement on your website to sell a merchant's product or send a person to the merchant's website, and by doing that, you gain a share of the merchant's profits. There are plenty of companies that operate in the affiliate marketing industry, and the 7 best places to find affiliate products are the following. ClickBank. ClickBank is an affiliate directory that handles digital products such as software and ebooks, which makes it the most popular affiliate directory for downloadable products. What makes ClickBank preferable to other affiliate programs is that products in ClickBank are listed by the popularity, so it is easier for you to find products to promote. You can also easily set up an account in ClickBank and promote products. In addition, you can get up to 75% commission on products or services you sell, which is larger than other affiliate programs. The minimum payment can be as low as $10, and you can cash out weekly through domestic and international direct deposit. Commission Junction. Commission Junction is one of the largest and best-known affiliate programs on the internet. It works as a middleman between merchants and website owners or advertisers. It is an affiliate program for physical and downloadable products. It has many products for you to promote, and each product differs in the percentage which you could earn from each sale. The merchants in Commission Junction are big and well-developed companies, so the products and services you sell as an affiliate are more reliable and well-known. It also provides plenty of marketing materials for affiliates, which makes it easier for them to promote the products in Commission Junction. These marketing materials include banners, text links, product links, and search boxes. When you sign up in Commission Junction as an affiliate, you will get paid through direct deposit or paycheck in your selected currency. ClicksGalore. ClicksGalore has about 9,500 merchants listed within their directory and about 20,000 active affiliates. It has no cost to join this affiliate program, and like Commission Junction, they also provide affiliates with marketing materials to incorporate into their website. In ClicksGalore, you get paid monthly, and the payment threshold is $0. It also has an advanced reporting tool for merchants and affiliates, which allow them to easily measure their success in affiliate marketing. Moreover, 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐤 gives great commissions for active affiliates, and it provides many professional marketing tools which make it easier for affiliates to promote the merchant's products. 𝐦𝐤𝐤. 𝐦𝐤𝐤 is the world's leading software affiliate program which gives you a commission of up to 75%. In 𝐦𝐤𝐤, you sell software products, not products that require shipment to clients, so the products that you sell can be sold to anyone, anytime, and anywhere around the world. Aside from the base commission, 𝐦𝐤𝐤 also pays you up to 2.5% in additional commissions on every sale. Payment in 𝐦𝐤𝐤 is bi-weekly through PayPal, major credit cards, and international wires, and the minimum payout is $100. Like the affiliate programs mentioned above, 𝐦𝐤𝐤 also provides many different tools to help affiliates promote their merchants' products. Amazon. Amazon is a popular shopping destination online. It also has an affiliate program that helps people earn additional income. Although the commission percentage is low, you will earn an additional income when the person you refer to them buys more than one item within 24 hours. They also pay their affiliates through PayPal, and they give them the option to be paid in products instead of cash. Amazon also has different ways for affiliates to put links on their site, and these include banners, product links, and widgets that vary in form. Moreover, Amazon has a low return rate, so you are guaranteed to earn money on your promotional efforts. Google Affiliate Network. Google Affiliate Network has an interface that is easy to use and is well designed, so it is wonderful for newbie affiliates. Although, you need an approved Google AdSense account so that you can successfully sign up on Google Affiliate Network. Signing up for both programs is free, so you will have no problem getting an account here. Google Affiliate Network provides tools such as banners or text links to help affiliates promote the merchant's product or service. However, the disadvantage of using Google Affiliate Network is its cookie length, which is mostly limited to 7 days. This means that when you refer a customer to a merchant and he buys a product or service after this period, you will no longer receive a commission for that sale. LunarPage. LunarPage is one of the highest paying affiliate programs. It rewards affiliates with a $65 base commission. It also offers $5 second-tier commissions, and by referring just 2 people to LunarPage, you will already earn $130. Moreover, LunarPage tracks cookies, so when the person you refer to them signs up later, you will still get the commission from that referral. It also provides plenty of marketing resources such as banners, text links, and coupons for its affiliates. Their payment threshold is currently $50, and given that the account you refer remains active for more than 30 days, and after you send them your tax form, they will immediately send you a check on the next payment period, either the 1st or 14th day of the month. Moreover, they pay commissions through US checks, PayPal, or wire transfers. There are plenty of affiliate programs that exist today aside from the 7 that I mentioned. And, with that, we've reached the end of this video all about the 7 best places to find affiliate products. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon at the next one.